guys, welcome back to the Holiday Road Travel Vlog. Today we are continuing our tour of Florida, and we are at the Lakeland Antique Mall to check out a place where we hear a lot of Disney treasures turn up over the years. So there's several vendors that bring theme park props and costumes and other things like that. And we love Disney World. So
yes, we're hoping for some scores.
Yeah, we're excited to see what we can find behind these doors. Disney's presence is felt everywhere. There's a lot of really cool stuff that you just wouldn't see anywhere else. So we're hoping to find something to take home. We just did a bunch of pin trading at the Disney World, so it's cool to see some of these vintage ones for sale. There's all kinds of cool pins. This shirt's pretty cool. Oh, and look, it's an ESPN cast member shirt. That's pretty neat. Not something you see every day. I love me some Figment stuff. It's cool. It's an Imagineering hat. A lot of cool employee items.
Cast member shirt.
So cool. Original Jungle Cruise cast costume. In the Fantasyland. Really, really cool. Really awesome original photograph right in front of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs there. That's so cool. I'm starting to get really bummed out that we flew here because we're really limited on what we can bring back because there's so many things I want to take home. Wow, check that out back there. You've got different Shrek props from the recent Shrek attraction that just closed down at Universal. Right now, this needs to be on everyone's to-do list. Don't buy your souvenirs at the parks. Drive an hour south, get to this antique mall, and buy the vintage stuff, the one-of-a-kind stuff, the cool stuff. It's totally worth it. Something tells me these came from Universal Horror Nights.
Yeah.
There's actually quite a few cool Universal props in here. So cool. It's a pretty cool original park advertisement. Huh. Elliot's Goldfish E.T. Room Summer Tribute. So cool. And then Teller's welcome sign. So many cool, if you're a fan of horror or Universal's Halloween events, this place would be heaven.
These are the banners that were used outside the Shrek ride's queue. Real deal.
That's cool. Look at those. Those are all from the Shrek ride. That's amazing.
I do not remember those. No.
You don't? Oh, no, I remember it clear as day. That's crazy. This is where it ended up. Look at that. 8,500. It could be yours. All of this is original Shrek props. That's amazing.
Look, these are the 3D glasses from the ride.
Huh. You could buy a pair of 3D glasses.
$5.
Are they really only $5 each?
Yeah.
It's funny. Look at that. That's so cool, though. You don't remember those hanging on the wall?
No, I don't.
I think that says it's like 20,000. Well worth it. Back of this is the best. Oh my gosh, look over there. You can see just, oh gosh, this place is cool. We just got done. Small World, I don't think so. I don't know what it's from. We just got done staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and this amazing cabinet is from there. So cool. Oh, this is cool. Polynesian bathroom light. Oh my gosh. Christmas prop wooden bucket for display. That's so cool. Lion King room coat rack. This is insane. Oh, it's a Mickey wreath. How am I gonna fit this in my suitcase? It just keeps going. Oh my gosh.
Is that from Winnie the Pooh?
I don't know what it's from. No, official Disney. Winnie the Pooh stove and refrigerator.
Disney.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
Club Disney was a thing outside of the parks that they have, but look at just, wow. Oh my gosh, look at the Disneyland Hotel flag.
Not sure. I thought that might be costumes.
Tons of trophies and cast awards. Just amazing stuff. Toy Story Land opening tea. So I'll show you again. I did come out with a little bit of a score. So I got this really cool shelf that was used in the Grand Floridian Resort. So it says it was used for merchandise. I thought it was just something neat that I could kind of, I don't know, put in the house. No one would know what it was, but we'll always know where it came from, that it originally came from Disney World. So I gotta tell you guys, this is one of the coolest places we've been as a Disney nut myself, and a collector of things and a lover of vintage things. It was just really cool to see all that. So hopefully you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching.